two great products. This one has like adequate lighting tenfold. Like all the light you see now is because of it. However, the fan, which is spinning, provides supplemental air at best. This one will provide more air tenfold, and the beveled fan blades project a little bit more outward than that one. However, there's no light. If I was going for strictly being cooled down on a multitude of just fresh air, I would go this one. If I wanted supplemental fresh air with adequate lighting, I would go this one all day long.
This little fan is hanging 8 feet over my head in a tent gazebo, and on high I can feel the breeze. It's remarkably quiet. It's been running off and on for days without me needing to recharge it. I am in love with this little portable fan.